We are a marketing, communications and business development boutique with a law firm focus. Daniel Kidd, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming. Hi. Hi. Hi, Daniel Kidd. Nice to meet you. Hi. Drop us a hi. Hi, Daniel Kidd. Hi. Hi, Daniel Kidd. Hi. That's why, Hey, how are you? Very well. Hi, thanks for coming. This is Julia, my Jake and I have been working independently for the last 5 years, advising law firms around the world on submissions, marketing, communications, and we've got to a stage now where we've merged and created something that we genuinely think is unique in the market. We are focused on law firms, so this sector is our specialism. We know it like the back of our hand, and this is what we do day in, day out. It's also important to mention the fact that we do have this track record of results from our clients, both at director level, with Jacob and I's 10 years of experience of helping firms get improved rankings, but also on the marketing and business development side. Our consultants in those areas have been assisting law firms through their independent enterprises for a number of years, and the results are there to see through the communication strategies that those law firms are applying, the social media platforms that they're using, and the integrations, the business development strategies that have really helped position them in the market, the international markets, and really grow them to where they are. I think that what is really helpful for our clients is that we've got global resources across 2 continents. We've got people on the ground in New York, in London, and in Spain. There's 3 areas of focus for us that mean that we've got face time with people in those jurisdictions. We've got real expertise of the legal markets in those areas, and obviously when it comes to London, it's absolutely crucial that you are on the ground where the directories are based to build those really long-lasting, effective relationships.
I think what we tried to explain to law firms is that they need to approach the whole submission process from a strategic point of view. This needs to be planned in terms of short, mid and long-term strategy. I think firms understand now, or should understand now, what information they need to include in the submissions and how to approach the submissions, and they'll understand what is important when compiling a referee list. And I think in addition to that, they would have learned something about Aitken Legal Marketing, about the services we provide and how we can help law firms with that process. It is a complex process, and it's a process that does require a certain amount of insight, and as we all know, law firms are there to be law firms. They are there to practice law, to advise on deals, to advise clients. They're not there to work on submissions, and that is where Aitken Legal Marketing can step in and advise law firms on how the whole process works. I think it was a great success. We had a lot of people attending the event, around about 50 people from law firms across the world. We had European law firms, firms from the US, from Latin America, several firms from the UK. It was a very, very, very good event, a very engaging group of people who asked some very pertinent questions. They seemed very engaged with the whole process. Daniel spoke at length about strategy for legal directories, about how to prepare comprehensive, persuasive submissions. I came in and spoke about the referee process and about how to manage relationships with legal publications in between research cycles. And then we took some questions at the end, and I think that was really where we saw the level of interest from the law firms that were here. They asked, as I said, a lot of very, very interesting questions, and clearly have had problems in terms of their relationships to publications and providing submissions, and needed some insight into how the submission process works in order to improve their processes and get the sorts of rankings they deserve. People stayed behind afterwards. We had coffee and cake, had a good chat to people, met lots of new people. There were some familiar faces as well there, some old friends, but several new firms that we hadn't had the opportunity to meet. I think certainly some possible business to be done with some of those firms in the future. Overall, I think it was a roaring success.